A girl hid an AirTag inside a piece of chicken and threw it out into the ocean. She immediately started tracking it on her phone. Soon, she noticed that the chicken piece...
If you stick around for whatever that nonsense was, surely you could stay for verse 2. Ephesians 4:22 reads, "You were taught with regard to your former way of life to put off your old self, which is being corrupted by your deceitful desires, to be renewed in the spirit of your mind." You can't have one foot in the flesh and one foot in the spirit and expect to live in a manner that pleases Christ. You have to be all in. This is why it often feels harder to live with Christ than it does to live in the world. It sounds cliche at first, but it becomes real when you see what it actually costs to let go of your old life. Glory be to God for providing us with a way out from this life in bondage to the flesh, along with the sinful desires that accompany it. So lean on the Lord as you surrender your mind and spirit to Him, and let Him renew you to stand firm in your newfound identity in Christ. Follow for more daily devotionals for followers of Christ. God bless.